People forget, but back in 1965, when silver was officially demonetized by a new Coinage Act in the United States, as he signed the legislation, President Johnson warned silver investors not to invest in silver, not to drive the price up, because he said the United States government would dishoard from its strategic silver stockpile to rig the silver price. You can find that signing statement on the Presidential Papers internet site of the University of California at Santa Barbara. Since 1965, the United States government has pledged to rig the silver market. The United States government has an agency called the Exchange Stabilization Fund, which was established by the Gold Reserve Act of 1934, specifically to intervene in the gold market. As amended, the act allows the Exchange Stabilization Fund to trade secretly in any market there is and not be accountable under the law to anybody for it. Only the Treasury Secretary and the President of the United States control that fund, and nobody can answer them to ask them any question about it.
As amended in the late 70s, the act provides in part that the Department of the Treasury has a stabilization fund consistent with the obligations of the government in the international monetary system. A fund on orderly exchange arrangements and an orderly system of exchange rates. The Secretary, with the approval of the President, may deal in gold, there you have it, foreign exchange and other instruments of credit and securities. Before we go to break, just quickly, how do we know what they're doing? There's no way to know because it's secret, right?
You can ask, but under the law, they're exempt from all the Freedom of Information requirements. They can do anything they want. They can trade in any market secretly, and they don't have to tell you.
And that includes gold.
That includes every security. You read that statute again, credit and other securities. They can trade in any market they want to trade in secretly. That's the law. If the world realized that perhaps 80–90% of the gold it thinks it owns does not exist, that it's really paper claims on financial institutions that do not have the gold, if paper gold evaporated, the gold price would go up very quickly.